This video will show you the correct way to install Southwestern Sales fan accessories, the fan chute, the fan cap, and the fan cover. The fan chute is adjustable for several size diameter cones. Loosen the retention nut to allow for adjustment and installation. The blue reinforcement installs over the cone and is designed to protect the ripstop material from premature wear. Make sure the edge of the chute is several inches back from the end of the cone. Once the cords are pulled snug, tighten the retention nut. Now that the chute is on securely, turn on the fan. You will need to adjust the end of the chute to keep the chute straight. Failure to do so will reduce the lifespan of the fan chute. Unscrew the retention nut and pull the cords until you can see the chute remains in a constant position, and tighten the retention nut. This should only have to be adjusted once when the fan chute is first installed. The fan chute has a retention loop that is designed to attach the chute to the cone with a rope in the event it were to become separated from the cone. The fan cap installs similar to a shower cap. It has an elastic band that holds it to the cone. Ensure that the weep holes are located at the bottom of the fan cone to allow condensation to drain. There is an optional retention loop that is designed to attach the cap to the cone with a rope or something similar in the event it were to become separated from the cone. The fan cover is adjustable for several diameters of fan cones. The white side is generally installed on the outside of the fan cone. It slides over the cone similar to the cap, but uses cord instead of elastic for securing to the cone. Unscrew the retention nut to allow for adjustment and installation. Again, ensure the weep holes are at the bottom of the fan cone. Pull the cord snug and tighten the retention nut. The fan cover also has a retention loop you can use if you so desire. We hope you found this instructional video helpful. For more information, feel free to visit our website at swsalesco.com for more information on fan accessories and all our other products.